go straight across to my colleague Shweta. I understand she's reporting from where Uddhav Thackeray has just casted his vote as well. You're getting me live visuals as well. Shweta, very good morning to you. Clearly, very interesting battle. We've known what political landscape things have changed since 2019. But as we look at these live visuals as well, give us a quick sense of how confident is Uddhav Thackeray seeming?
Well, right in the frame, Aditya, huge day. Yeah, well, while here we understand that former Chief Minister along with his family right here, and the ink finger is right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. सर बस एक चीज आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आज बहुत बड़ा दिन है, पूरे महाराष्ट्र का साथ मिला सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? इतनी रैलीज हुई और
पूरी महाराष्ट्र की जनता देश का संविधान बचाने के लिए रास्ते पर उतर कर आई है और जुमलेबाजी को खत्म करने के लिए रास्ते पे उतरी है और मतदान करके अपने भविष्य में मतदान का अधिकार वो कायम रखेंगे।
While we also have Mr. Aditya Thackeray sir, only one question I would like to ask you.
साथ में ही करते हैं, देश साथ में करेंगे, अलग नहीं होगा।
If you can just show the ink finger on camera.
हर किसी ने अपना जो मतदान का अधिकार है वो आज एक्सरसाइज करना जरूरी है, क्योंकि ये वोट देश के लिए आपका कर्तव्य है और आपका अधिकार भी है।
What's the pulse in Maharashtra? There have been
बातें आज इसमें नहीं हो सकती क्योंकि ये आचार संहिता का जोन है।
pulse in Maharashtra, several rallies, several campaigning you have done, and the mood was quite apparent that Maharashtra people.
Yes. India will vote for democracy and our constitutional rights.
Well, here we see that Mr. Aditya Thackeray and of course the entire family was here just a short while back. Nivedana, they have cast a vote, and exclusively speaking to Times Network, they have kept forth their concerns, and they have very categorically mentioned that this time people need change. Maharashtra needs change, and doing rallies, several campaign. Perhaps sir, you are also here. You know, we have been focusing that there were several rallies being done. What is the pulse that you have gained in Maharashtra?
People have decided to vote for Mahavikas Aghadi, and I think nobody can stop them.
Right, and here also we see that since morning people are coming out, but one low thing, do you agree with me that the voters turnout is lesser?
It is always usual practice. By 11:30 people may come out, and by 4 o'clock it will get done.
This time it's divided. Perhaps sir, this time it's divided with different party symbol, different party name. Don't you think this is going to create a kind of, dissatisfaction between the people when they go to vote?
People know Shiv Sena well, people know Bala Saheb well, people know Uddhav Thackeray well. So I don't think there is any confusion. People will vote for Mashal, people will vote for Mahavikas Aghadi, wherever they have set up their candidate.
Well, absolutely. Thank you very much. Very importantly, Mr. Parab speaking that people know Maharashtra, people know Mr. Uddhav Thackeray, people know Mr. Balasaheb Thackeray. So people do not have any kind of confusion in their thought process when it comes to the symbol what Shiv Sena UBT owns. So particularly here, the candidates are pretty confident, their leaders, their all prominent leaders are pretty confident that however this is divided, but people know that who is working for them. Back to you.